Hello, everyone. I was recently approached by a company called Globleland, something like that. I can never pronounce words quite right. Quite frankly, there will be links in the description box below. Anyways, they approached me about doing a collaboration with them and gave me the option of choosing products from their website to play with. And so I thought I would do an unboxing video today and show you the things I chose and give you an idea of why I chose them and what you might see in the next couple of weeks as far as projects go. I chose a few odd things partially because they were things that interested me and because they gave me ideas. I unwrapped this, by the way. It came all wrapped up, but it was wrapped up in bubble wrap, and I didn't want to have to fight with the bubble wrap online. So I have sort of been wanting a stamp platform. This one, I thought it was small enough that I could try it out and see if I really wanted to use a stamp platform. Since I don't make cards, repositioning things is not always a necessity for me, but sometimes my images don't print as nicely as I would like, and I'd like to be able to do a second image. The other thing is the ability to do sort of layering because of the stamp platform. This one is real interesting. It has an edge along here, and I'm assuming that's so your paper will stay positioned in place. So that is, and it has a grid on the top. So I'm going to play with this a little bit today after I show you all the other things I got. But the biggest thing is sometimes when I'm wanting to make like embellishments and things, I don't always get the best stamped image the first time. And so I thought maybe this would work. So that's one of the things I got. The next thing I got, I'm really excited about. These are hole reinforcers. This is just a minute. I can't find the way to get into here. Where is it? There it is, clear down there. This is a set of hole reinforcement dies. When I ordered it, I thought there was only one sheet, but there's two sheets. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16 different styles of hole reinforcers. There's flowers and little stars and arrows. I love these little arrows. Anyways, I thought they would be fun and different, and I'm always having to come up with a hole reinforcer to do something to protect holes, especially when I do that slip knot binding. So I thought these might be fun, and I thought I would just make up a whole bunch of different colored ones and see how that goes. So we'll be playing with those. Let's put them back in the packet. Maybe not. Okay, this is a stamp and die set. There's a set of stamps and a set of dies that goes with it. Of course, they're dragonflies, and they were really pretty. There's a tiny little dragonfly here. There's there's 3 sentiments. One says, be strong, be happy, be you, which I liked all of those. And then the dragonflies, and I just really love these dragonflies. what I really like too is that it has dies for cutting all of these dragonflies out. So I'm excited to play with those. I think that these will be something I use a lot. I love dragonflies in my work, so I thought I'd just make up some embellishments to have too. So, and the last thing is something kind of odd, but it just intrigued the heck out of me. And I have some really fun ideas about it. It's a twill tape. Let me bring you in because I really want you to see this. It's a twill tape that's got eyelets along it, and then it's got jump rings attached to it. And I think it would be fun to take a piece of this and just attach just one piece like that and stitch it on the edge of a page, and then you could attach little charms to the edge of the page. You could make it the topper of a tag. It just intrigued me a lot, and I think that it's going to be fun to play with, and it's really fun. It came on this cute little tag. When it's all gone, you'll have a tag to play with. So that again, I'm really excited to play with. It's one of those things. I think it's got some real possibilities. So let's try out the stamps. Now, sometimes stamps aren't as happy on the very first try. But now, in the description box below, not only is there links, but also there is a product discount code, because they gave me a discount code for all of you to use. I'm just gonna pick one. And see, it's not as dark as I'd like. I mean, it's okay, but it's not. Now, for a brand new stamp, that stamped beautifully. Sometimes they have to get used a couple of times before they... This is fun. I like this. I like the little stamp platform. I think it's going to work out real well. Let's put something else in there. I'll need to clean that. Let's just clean it with a baby wipe for right now. What I was thinking was, let's okay, so if I did that like that, since I've never used a stamp platform before, this is You know, something I have to figure out. And this. I think I have that upside down. There you go. Okay, so by positioning them that way, I can get them right where I want them. My stamp pad may need a little more ink. Oh, I like that. That worked out very well. This would be fun. This will be fun to use on ATCs when you want to position things. So, anyways, guys, like I said, in the description box below, there is a list of the things I got and links, but there's also a discount code for all the different products. I mean, for you if you want to use it. I just I'm thinking now what I want to make first. That's what I'm thinking. So probably next week I'll try to make sure that I have something made with these, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.